Hey everybody! Anybody that might actually be watching. Yeah. Forgive the hair. It's quarantine. And, quite frankly, I don't give a shit. Alright. The angle looks good. Yeah. Alright, so, it's New Guitar Day. I just got a Fusion 2 in the Flamed Blue Burst from Harley Benton via Toman Music. I ordered this guitar on April 29th. Today is June 24th. So between the Frankfurt Customs in Germany and the New York ISC, it took almost 2 months to make it from the EU to here. Now granted, we are going through a pandemic, so, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, some of the specific features. The model is the HH, which stands for Humbucker Humbucker, or as Henning Pauly would put it, Humbucker Humbucker. It's got an ebony fingerboard, but it's not the blackest ebony I've ever seen. It's not like piano ebony. It's like rosacea or something. Anyway, like the other Bengal Burst, it looks a lot like rosewood. But you know, rosewood's endangered now, so can't have that. HH, EB, FR for Floyd Rose. You got a Floyd Rose 1000 bridge. One volume knob, tone knob, three-way selector switch, bridge, middle, neck, coil split here, switch leaning toward you, humbucker, leaning down, split. The pickup closest to the bridge is on in this case. If you're down this way with the coil split, in the middle it's both this pickup closest to the bridge and the pickup closest to the neck, and all the way up it's just the pickup closest to the neck, or the half the pickup closest to the neck, so you get that kind of spanky Strat sound. This is with the humbucker engaged in the clean channel of the JP2C. A little bit more volume there. Okay, now this is with the coil split on. So, alright. Now let's get into the dirty tones. The yellow channel on my JP2C, humbucker mode, bridge. Switch to the single coils now. You'll note the significant drop off. These Roswell pickups that come in the guitars, they're shit. I need to get new ones. But yeah, so that's the bridge pickup. Now both pickups, humbucker mode. Changed strings on this today because it arrived with the high E string broken. Anyway, both pickups humbucker mode. Single coil mode. neck, pickup, humbucker mode. We're going to kick on the lead tone here because... And then we'll kick it back to the single coil. Back to the lead tone. Here we go for that spanky shit. So, it's a beautiful blue finish in case, it's a maple veneer. And I gotta say, I have no problems with this veneer. I see some depth. I mean, this is nothing, nowhere like a PRS 10 top. If you're looking for that, you're gonna be sorely disappointed. But I think I prefer this than just like a straight, like black or red solid color. It looks beautiful. I can see that it's wood. It may only be a couple millimeters thick, but it looks great. The sunburst looks great. The binding here is mahogany. It's just the wood of the body. It looks like it's two-piece. Not locking tuners though. I think I might actually replace these tuners. Not that I have a problem with it. The tuning issue, I think, is something down here that I was having earlier. I don't know, is this thing still in tune? Appears to be. Maybe the string is just needed to settle. Yeah, can dive bomb. Anyway, so that's the Flame Blue Burst Fusion 2 from Harley Benton via Thomann. We'll say though, if you are planning to get one of these or buy anything from Thomann internationally, given what's going on in the world right now, you might want to pay for expedited shipping. And if at all possible, I don't even know that it is possible, avoid customs in New York, because that's a bunch of bullshit. Anyway, yeah, so that's the Git Fiddle, and I'll catch you all at another time. Thanks for watching.